Here's how to install the OPT7 Redline Tailgate light bar for the Tacoma. You'll need the light bar itself, the included crimp connector, the adhesive promoter, the foam and plastic alignment tool, and the 7 to 4 pin adapter. As far as the tools needed for this basic install, you'll need a lighter or a heat gun to shrink the heat shrink, a flathead screwdriver just in case the factory connector is too stubborn, and a crimp connector with wire cutters built in. The first step is to use the adhesion promoter and wipe down the surface that you'll be adhering the light bar to. Next, take the alignment tool and insert it into the spare tire cutout in the rear of the Tacoma. You can now install your light bar, making sure that the OPT7 logo is facing upwards and towards the outside of the car. Although the screw-on mounting brackets are included in the kit, we opted to use the adhesive pre-installed backing as our method of installation. You can now flip the alignment tool to the other side to install the opposite side light bar, making sure that the OPT7 logo is again facing upwards and towards the outside of the vehicle. You can now remove the alignment tool. Next, stick the 4-pin connector and white wire through the top of the bumper and pull them out the bottom. Tuck the opposite side wire in through the bumper as well. Since we're using the 4 to 7 pin adapter, we'll be using this white wire and we can splice it into the wiring harness. Cut the white wire to the same length as the 4-pin connector and use the crimp connector to attach the white wire from the 4-pin adapter to the white wire from the light bar. Use a heat gun or a lighter to shrink the heat shrink around the crimp connector. Remove the factory 7-pin connector from the bumper. Install one end of the 7 to 4 pin adapter into the factory connector. Next, install the other end into the factory bumper connector. Make sure to bundle the wires and clean them up using the included zip ties so they don't snag or catch on anything later. You can now verify that your installation was done correctly by using your turn signals, hazards, brake lights, and reverse lights. And now you're ready to go out and hit the trail.